Hey guys, just a quick FYI before we start the video. As you saw, this is a 2-item review in one. It's an unboxing and review of the carrying case and the carrying bag for a MacBook Pro or an Air, but I have an Air, MacBook Air. I wanted to let you know that the links are below for both of these items, that I love both of them. So the links are below in the description box, so you can go to Amazon and purchase either one. But unfortunately, I have to send one of these back because I don't know if you are, but I am a matchy type person, and on the Amazon site, the bag looks black, but it's actually like a navy blue or something like that. And so this case, this laptop case, actually matches my laptop perfectly. So I ended up keeping the case, and I will be sending the bag back. But I love the bag. If you love the bag, if you love the pattern and everything that you see, I would get the case to match the bag, which would be in like a dusty rose, a rose gold, some kind of a pinkish or coral or tan color of a case. But if you love this case, I would get the bag to match it exactly. I finally found the one that matches it exactly. But it's a different brand and it looks a little different, so I'm going to have to order it and then review it, which I will link it at the end of this video once I get it. Or you can get a plain black or plain, rose gold or tan case, a carrying bag, I'm sorry, to match the case. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey Tracie's Place fam, I am back with another video, and I am so excited because I got my laptop case and my laptop bag in the mail today from Amazon. So I tried to kind of peek in here to make sure both items was in this one box, because I didn't want to get on camera and then I just had one thing. So both pieces are in here and I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and get the cutting. Oh, I've been waiting on this because y'all know, like when you get a phone, you get your brand new iPhone or Android or whatever you have, but you don't have a case for it. For some reason, you didn't get the case the same time you got the phone. You're waiting on the case to come, and you can't really use the phone like you want to. The same way I felt with this laptop. Oh my goodness. I had it and I was happy about it, but I wasn't, it's like I couldn't use it like I want to because I had to keep it in the box. But anyway, this is the Canvas Life White Rose MacBook Air Pro, MacBook Air carrying case. And that is so nice. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up first. Oh my goodness. I am so happy. It almost looks navy blue a little bit, but it's supposed to be black. It's canvas, and canvas a lot of times looks a little lighter. But yeah. That is nice. Very, very nice. And it has little pockets on the outside you can put stuff in. And on this one too, you can stick stuff down in there. Then it has this outside pocket. And this outside pocket has compartments where you can put your mouse, there's ink pens, and your charger or your iPhone, whatever you're carrying. And if you got a little notebook, I guess you could put it right there also. And this is the main compartment right there, and here is the carrying strap. So canvas also, so that is very nice. I like that very, very much. I thought that it was going to be more black. It kind of looks navy blue to me. But I do like it. I like it a lot. And my case, and this is the Mosiso. I called it the wrong thing. I think I said Massimo, but it's Mosiso plastic pattern hard case. And it's in Peony Blossom. Peony Blossom. And look at that. Let me see if I can get in here. I don't want to scratch up my case. So I'm not going to go fast doing this. Okay, so here is the cover. I've taken my MacBook out of the box. And this is the cover. That is pretty. And it goes with the MacBook. So I really like that. This is a screen protector. It's so funny to see a screen protector this big. The screen protector and also a cleaning cloth in here came with it. So that was nice. And I have some little feet, I guess, in case something happens to these, I guess. So I got some little extra rubber pads for the feeding. Have some instructions. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. So it has instructions. And then this is the keyboard cover. That's the keyboard cover. See-through. And it's very light, very flimsy. So let me see how that goes. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this on here and I'm going to show you the process. Okay, so here is the bottom part. I'm going to put my MacBook in there, and it has like little indentions where it's cut out in this longer spaces. That's the back where it bends at. So we're going to put it in there. Ooh, and try to get it snapped in place. See if it will do that. I got one snap there. Got a snap there. These are not any loud snaps. Let's see. But it's secure, so. Okay. So it's on there now. I didn't hear any loud snaps, but it's on secure. So we're going to go ahead and put this top piece on. And let me see if I can. Okay, it looks like it should fit like this. Let's make sure I got it on right. Got to click there. There are no loud clicks, so you just have to press it down, make sure it's on there. So let's see if it's on good. And it is. The case is on there. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. I love that. Love that, love that. And there's the bottom. And it's very easy to open. And it matches. It matches my laptop. Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. I love that. Almost tempted to bedazzle it a little bit. Put some rhinestones on, but we'll see. Some little gold rhinestones or something. But I love that. Love it, love it, love it. So let's see if everything fits in this bag. And this bag, I'm not too sure about, you all. I am not too sure about this bag. I love the case. Love the case. But it's just this bag is more like navy. And I thought it was going to be black. So I might send that back. I'm not sure. If so, I will let you know. And then I'll do another unboxing on the bag when I get it. But anyway, let's see if it fits good. So this is how the case fits in the bag. It has about 1.5 inches left at the top. It has a little wiggle room, not much, and you want it to fit kind of snug. So you can also fit a notebook in there with it. So that's good. The case is just a inch longer and about an inch wider than the laptop. And it's very easy to zip up. It's not super tight where things won't fit in here. See, it has plenty of room. It expands, so you can fit a mouse in there. You can fit your phone. If you had a tablet, you could fit a tablet in here, or maybe even on the inside of here, because the tablet is real slim. This has plenty of room, plenty. And that's what I was kind of concerned about. I thought it was going to be a snug fit, only room for the laptop, but it's roomy. Not too big, very, very nice, but you have a little wiggle room. Very nice. Very, very nice. So I have to go on the site and double check the color that it's supposed to be, but it looks black on, you know, the Amazon site. And I do like it. I like it a lot. It has this nice heavy hardware on here for the end of your bag too. See if I can get it on there. I would probably not be using this too much, but it snaps on easy just like that, and you can carry it on your shoulder. If I have a purse, I would probably be carrying it like this in my hand. So, I almost forgot the keyboard cover, y'all. So, let's see. It's more gripping on this side, and you can tell that that's the back side anyway, but it goes on like this, and it keeps your keyboard free of spills and debris and different things like that. Nice. That is nice. This is the keyboard cover, you guys, and this does not slip. I'm even doing like this. It does not slip. It fits really good, and as flimsy as it looks and everything, you would think that it would slip and wouldn't grip, but there's an undersiding that's real grippable, and it is gripping. So it fits real good over these keys. And look at this, you all. It's just a little flimsy piece of rubber, basically, but it fits. Feels good on my finger, so I'll be keeping this on. That's nice. And it has the little flowers to match the case. Hope you can see that. I hope there's not a glare on the screen. But that is so nice. I love it. All right, guys. So thumbs this video up if this has helped you. And oh my goodness, I'll put the name of it right down here, the pattern. But I love this. I really do. I really, really do. All right, guys. So if you're not part of the Tracie's Place family, please go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the Tracie's Place family. And hit that notification bell. That way, when I upload a video, you will be notified right away. All right. Y'all be blessed. And I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.